So by popular demand, let's talk about how we can solve x squared is equal to 0 by using the quadratic formula. And of course, let's review what the quadratic formula is first. Right here, if we have ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, which is just the quadratic equation in the standard form, then the formula says x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So we will have to figure out the a, b, c values. Here we just have x squared though. Okay, let's do this. X squared is the same as x squared, and we can say that's 1x squared, yeah? But we need the x. Since there's no x, I'm just going to purposely write yes, plus 0x. How's that? That works, right? And then of course we don't have the c, but it's just 0. So plus 0 is equal to this 0. So from here you can see that a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, and c is equal to this 0. Now we have these values, we can just plug them into the formula. This right here is equal to x equals negative b, which is negative 0, plus or minus square root of b squared, which we have the 0 squared, and then minus 4ac. A is 1, and then c is 0, and then all over 2 times a, which is 1, like this. Now we have to simplify this a little bit. This is just 0. We don't have to write down the 0. Here we have the plus or minus. Okay, square root. Eh? Oh, this is 0. And I was thinking about we should have a negative 4 inside. I was so scared. No. This is 0. And then 4 times 1 is 4 times 0 is 0. So all inside is 0. Okay, this is 0. And then over 2. All right. So after we work this out, the inside is 0. And now, what is square root of 0? Well, simplify it, it's equal to 0. So this gives us just 0 and plus or minus 0 over 2 like this. And then plus 0 and minus 0 is actually just 0. Right? 0 is not negative, it's not positive. So this is just 0 over 2. And the final answer is just equal to 0. So as you can see, when x squared is equal to 0, our answer that we got is x is equal to 0. Yeah. But in fact, last time I showed you guys a much faster way to solve an equation like this. When we have a quantity squared, it's equal to a number. Notice the right hand side, we don't have any x. So we can just take the square roots to both sides, cancel, and then put a plus or minus. And this right here is just x is equal to square root of 0, 0, plus or minus 0 is just 0. So we're done. So the second way, this is the first way. Now, the third way is we can factor it too. X squared is equal to 0. Put the 0 to the other side, so x squared. Let's look at this. X squared minus 0 is equal to 0. And that's the same as 0 squared. We can factor it and then we get x minus 0 times x plus 0. It's equal to 0. And right here, x minus 0 is equal to 0. Okay, enough. That's it.